你好. Today we are going to learn how to tell time in Fuzhounese. There are two ways to tell time in Fuzhounese, and today we're going to learn method number 1, which is easier, for me at least, in Fuzhounese. Okay, so let's start by reviewing the numbers 1 to 10. 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to learn how to say 11, 12, and half. To say 11, we say 10, 1. So it is say 8. Notice that there is a little change in sound when we combine these two words. So 11, say 8. To say 12, we say 10, 2. So it is say 8. Again, notice that there is a little sound change when we combine these two sounds. So 12, say 8. Half is 1. Next, let's review the two special sounds for 1 and 2. So when we just want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we say 8, 9, 3, 4. If we want to say one person, then we say 所以 no. So is the special sound when we want to use it for counting, as in one person, one apple, one piece of paper. So we use 所以 no, one person, 所以苹果, one apple. There is also a special sound for 2. Instead of 9, we now said 9. So 9年 no, 2 people. 9粒苹果, 2 apples. Okay, so up to this point, we know how to say 1 to 12, half, and also the two special sounds for 1 and 2. Now, you might be wondering, why are we only learning up to 12? What if we want to say it's 12:15? For 12:15, we say 谁你人3年谁你人 12 o'clock 3年 3 character. Literally, it means character, but it's actually the number on the clock. It's pointing to 3. So we say 谁你人3年. You can think of it as in English where we say is quarter past 12. Quarter. Except in Fuzhounese, it's not just a quarter. We can do that for every number. So we go by the 12 numbers on the clock. So we don't go into details. If we want to say 12:10, then we say 谁你人哪年谁你人 12 o'clock 哪年 2 character. I'm not sure the right term for this one, but it's a big number, the 2, when we say 12:10. O'clock is ding. So 1 o'clock is so ling. Now let's learn how to say 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So ling, na ling, san ling, si ling, ngu ling, no ding, qi ding, bei ding, gao ling, sei ding, sei ding, sei ni ling. Using this method, we will only be going over increment of 5. So we'll be saying 12:05, 12:10, 12:15, 12:20, and so on. Now let me go over all that with 12. 谁你人所以谁你人哪年谁你人3年谁你人4年谁你人5年谁你人6年谁你人7年谁你人8年谁你人9年谁你人10年谁你人11年. An alternative to say 12:30 is 谁你人半 12 and half. What if we have 12:13? Then how should we say that? Are we going to say 谁你人哪年? Or are we going to say 谁你人3年? In the case of 12:13, we will say 谁你人3年. And the reason is because we are using a method where if it's equal or less than 2, then we go with the smaller number. And if it's greater or equal to 3, then we go with the larger number. (12:13) Since 3 falls into the equal or greater than 3, we round it up and say it's 12:15. 谁你人3年 In the case of 12:11, since 1 falls into the category of less or equal to 2, then we say it's 12:10. 谁你人哪年 Now let's do some practice. 2:30. Pause if you want to give yourself some time to think and then come back here for the answer. 2:30. Nane noite. Or you can also say Nane buang. 2:15. Nane sane. 3:17. Sane siye. That is all for this lesson. Remember to check out the description for any notes or reference or any help I might have received for this video, which I did. You'll be able to find all the details in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!